Many professional AI tools rely on complex workflows. While powerful, they can be incredibly intimidating. Staring at the canvas of messy nodes and tangled wires often leads to more confusion than inspiration. But with Bloomway AI, that's all about to change. Simply open Bloomway, enter the Creative Studio, and start a conversation with your AI assistant. Thinking like a seasoned Hollywood screenwriter, the assistant guides you step by step through your story's development. Once your vision is set, just click Building Workflow and watch the magic happen. The AI automatically builds your entire workspace, placing nodes and connecting them for you. It analyzes your script to identify characters and generates highly consistent reference stills. These visual genes are then injected directly into the storyboard nodes, mastering the multi-shot sequence. This is where true storytelling begins. Real movies rarely rely on a single continuous shot. They use multi-shot editing, cutting between different angles and perspectives to build suspense, shift emotions, and drive the plot. While a one-take or long take maintains a single continuous flow, Bloomway's multi-shot workflow functions like a multi-camera film set. It breaks your story into independent segments, each with its own unique composition, camera movement, and pacing. The AI intelligently segments your chapters, analyzes the framing for every beat, and selects the perfect lens language for each moment. Seamless execution. Next, the AI generates a series of video nodes using advanced keyframe linking technology. By automatically connecting the end of one panel to the start of the next, it ensures seamless transitions between these diverse shots. Behind the scenes, the assistant cross-references your script with a library of over 700 cinema-grade camera movements, from dramatic sweeps to intimate close-ups. If your story needs a voice, you can simply connect a TTS node for professional narration or dialogue. Finally, everything flows into a single render node. With one click, the AI sequences every shot into a cohesive, high-quality film in just 1 to 2 minutes. From the first spark of an idea to a fully realized cinematic production, Bloomway AI removes the friction of technical setup. You provide the imagination, Cinepro delivers the masterpiece.
They called it Project Glacial, a recovery mission. Just another relic pulled from the permafrost, frozen in a moment of forgotten history. But history wasn't dead. It was just waiting. I saw it in his eyes. Not the dull glaze of a fossil, but a predatory fire that hadn't been felt on this earth for 1,000 years. In that moment, the lab didn't feel like a sanctuary anymore. It felt like a cage. And I realized too late, I wasn't the observer, I was the prey. He didn't see our technology as progress. He saw it as sorcery, static and silicon, flickering ghosts that mocked his senses. Every screen he shattered, every wire he tore, it was a warrior's protest against a world that had moved on without him. I tried to stop him. I tried to tell him that the world outside had changed, that the stars he navigated by were buried under 1,000,000 artificial lights. But how do you explain the future to a man who still carries the scent of the Iron Age on his skin? Now he's out there, a ghost in a labyrinth of neon and chrome. To us, it's just a city street. To him, it's a battlefield of metal monsters and screaming lights. I shouted for him to wait, to look, but he doesn't see a car. He sees a beast that needs to be felled. He isn't just fighting for his life. He's fighting for his dignity, for the only truth he's ever known. We thought we could study the past. We never realized the past would fight back.
Thought I lost you. I'm here now.
Keep going. He's playing that new song.
Love this beat.
Nice night?
Nice night.
Yeah, beats being in there.
Is that your music?
Something like that.
I made a mistake, didn't I?
It's not too late to fix it. You look tired. Thank you.
Is this helping at all?
It helps just being here with you.
I feel the electricity in this room tonight. Yeah.
You are the light that guides me home. I waited for this moment all my life.